Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now always in your hands.
Good evening, beautiful people.
Good evening.
Welcome back to LeAw. I'm Sara, it's Luca, and we are traveling from Alaska to Argentina with our old Ford F-250, our truck camper. We arrived in this amazing camp spot tonight. We drove through the Cerro Castillo National Park.
Most of the road was unpaved, but doable. End of the paved road. Guys, I can see nothing.
This is what happened when you are driving on a dirt road on the Carretera Austral.
Yes, I think they just opened. There is a section of the road that is closed from 1 to 5 p.m. Now I think they just opened so you can see the line of other cars. Not just cars, also buses, trucks, whatever was on the other side.
We stop here on this amazing rio. I will show you now where we will sleep tonight, because tomorrow we will go to visit some hot springs, some natural hot springs.
From when we took the ferry till now, we never paid for places where to sleep, only on Sarah's birthday, because we wanted to
do something special.
If you lost the video, go and check it up here. But we always camp and boondock in places like this.
I will show you guys.
And that is what we like most about you know, living and traveling on a truck camper, is the freedom to choose where you want to park and sleep every night.
How it sways in the sun, keeping our stories in its motion, lies the truth about us. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins.
That one over there is the Carretera Austral. As you can see, it's not paved. We will try to stay here over these trees, so all the dust, because it's really dusty, will not come till lucky you. We sleep here on the front part of the truck camper. Sara is fighting with some flies.
Guys, it's full of mosquitoes, full of some flies, I don't know, but yeah, now it's...
I think it likes who's...
Yeah, long hair.
Yeah.
By the way,
I was saying, we sleep on this part, on the front, so we always try to park with the back of the truck to the road where all the cars go,
so
and the front
hear the noise and...
with the noise of the river.
Now we'll eat something, then we'll go to sleep and catch you tomorrow morning, guys, for the amazing hot springs. Good morning, beautiful people. Oh, here we are, ready to go. Lucky Liu is ready. We are ready. Luca is ready. Ah. Morning.
Good morning, beautiful people. Let's go to the hot springs. Hot springs.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. We are going together with Miguel at the hot springs, but
We have the hammer there.
waiting for us. So it's a remote hot springs, and that's why we need to cross a bridge, and then with the hammer we need to cross rivers. Okay, this is the river Murta, the river where we slept last night. We showed you last night.
We were just parked down over there,
Yeah.
on the riverside. Okay, the hot springs are there on the other side of that hill, on the lower part. So it's 15 minutes driving there with this hammer. It's time to off-road. And here we are. We arrived.
And after 15 minutes dirt road, off-road, crossing rivers, was amazing. We arrived at the hot springs.
This is so nice, guys. It's amazing. Oh, yes. Awesome.
The temperature of the water is really nice. It's not boiling, it's hot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tap, and then there is a natural pool, and it's new. They opened a few weeks ago, so we are one of the first guests.
This is volcanic water. It comes from here. There is a hole, And you can really feel the raw, hot water in here, coming from here. Volcanic hot springs, natural, beautiful.
How do you feel?
I
Relax?
feel super nice, super good,
Okay,
super
guys,
relaxed.
you may know that Luca loves hot springs.
Yeah, I'm here enjoying this hot water on my head.
Yeah, it's super relaxing, it's super nice. It's peaceful here.
Yeah, I love it.
Where are we?
We are in Chile. We are in Chile. We are in Patagonia.
In Patagonia, we are on the Carretera Austral. And we didn't expect this.
No, it's beautiful, guys.
After a really rough road yesterday, it's amazing to be here.
We paid the regular price was 20,000 per person. We paid 15 because Sara asked a discount.
I always ask for a discount. Yeah, 15,000 is $18 per person. That it's really a good price for Patagonia. It's not cheap, especially for our budget, but I think for the transportation that you pay for the hammer, all the landscape, the location that is really secluded, all the service you have, the possibility to take a hot shower when you finish here, you have your own private hot tub.
Yeah,
I think
it's
really
15
good
minutes. It's 15 minutes drive
Yes.
off road. You have to cross several rivers, and it's beautiful. It's all new. I think it's worth it.
Yes.
Perfect. We took a hot shower, and now we are ready to off-road back to LeAw.
See you later.
It's really important to have good, nice tires when you drive the Carretera Austral, especially in the places where it's off-road. Otherwise, you will end up like this or like this. We are back in LeAw and now we will find another boondocking spot where to camp, have lunch, and maybe stay the afternoon there.
Lunchtime! I will prepare some zucchini risotto for you today. These are the ingredients, guys. I will put the name of the ingredients that I don't know in English right here. So we have zucchini, we have cipollotto, it's a kind of onion, porro, potatoes, rice, butter, Santa Sara, salt, pepper, olive oil, and some quesillo, it's a fresh cheese.
Explain what Santa Sara means in Spanish or in Italian.
Saint Sara. This is the butter, Santa Sara.
I just bought that one because I read the name. I read the name, so I had to buy that one, guys.
We will do risotto the Italian way. So we will cook the ingredient first with oil, and then we will add the rice and the water at the end, so that the ingredient can give all the flavor to the rice. If you have parmesan, if you have butter, in the end will be the best. I don't have parmesan, not right now, so I cannot. We said mantecare with parmesan and butter. I recommend you to cut especially the potato really tiny, so that when you cook together with the rice, you have the right taste. Doesn't need to feel and to taste the potato. It's like something that a hidden ingredient. You put some olive oil in your pan and you add the ingredients. The main difference between a rice and a risotto is that in a risotto you cook the rice together with the ingredients you choose. Like in this case we have the zucchini and the onion. Now after 5-10 minutes, when your ingredients are not cooked but almost ready, you add the rice. I add the rice, you see, and then I cook the rice with the ingredient without adding water for the first 2 minutes. So all the flavor will go
With the rice.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay, what you want to do now is to cover the rice with water. don't put too much water. It's better to put less and then add. For now it's okay like this. Keep washing the rice. Keep moving, keep moving. It's something that you don't okay, I add water and then I leave it like this. No, you need to check. Okay. The rice will slowly absorb the water. What are you doing in the meantime?
Okay guys, so here in the Carretera Austral, the road is really bumpy, so I'm building some things to close. This is the door of our storage. Wasn't a toilet that was.
Ex-toilet.
Yeah. So I'm doing things like this. So we usually close everything like this, so they cannot open.
Yes.
So I'm doing the same here for the toilet, but it's a big door, so I have to do something stronger than that.
We want to create a cream. We want to mantecare il risotto. So what we do, we add some butter and some cheese. Better if you have parmesan again, but we use what we have. And some pepper. And in this way, when the rice is almost cooked, the risotto, you create cream. So you don't need cream, but you create a cream with the butter, with the cheese. The risotto is almost ready.
Yummy.
This is the result, guys. Risotto with zucchini. An happy guy.
Camper.
It's time to eat, guys. We can wait to try this risotto.
We will end this video here, guys. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And please consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done already. We love you guys, we appreciate you. Thank you for coming along with us.
Stay tuned because many adventures are yet to come.
Un besito, la vita è bella, life is beautiful.
Ciao! The risotto is good indeed.
Good indeed. Look, this is really Italian. Eating risotto or pasta
With bread.
with bread. Luca loves to eat risotto and pasta with bread.
Sara, this reminds me something about you. I can't remember what.
I don't know what they're talking about.
No.
I don't know.